Hi, this is just a little bit of a video from Diane at the Chattanooga Public Library. When I was putting a pot out front the other day, my little friend slithered out and my husband just found him in the house, rescued him because we have cats. Cats will eat snakes. You can't really see the little snake's face. I don't know enough about snakes to know whether this is a male or a female just by looking at it, but this little brown snake has been around for about 3 years since we've lived here. He's exploring in my tomato bed, so you can't really see his head, but it's not wedge shaped. It's just a little, ooh, maybe we can see him. There you go, there's his little head. Maybe I can close up. Here, yeah, there you are, snake. Yeah, there you are. There you are, little snake. Maybe so. But anyhow, he doesn't have a wedge-shaped head, and I recognize the little markings, so he's not a poisonous snake. I'm certain of that because my husband picked him up once before without the snake's permission, and the little snake bit him. You know, it was like your dog or cat biting you. It didn't really hurt him. It offended his feelings a lot. But this little snake has grown quite a bit. It's gotten a little bit longer and a lot fatter. It overwintered in my greenhouse this year. If you are terrified of snakes, I certainly can understand that, but little snakes like this, little garter snakes, little green grass snakes, little brown snakes like this, they're wonderful because they're going to eat insects. Snakes that are a little bit bigger are going to eat little mice. They will help keep some of the things that we don't want in our gardens out. So I just want to say that they're part of the wildlife here in Tennessee. I do know that it's illegal to move or kill a snake. Certainly if you have a copperhead heading towards you, get out of the way, or you know, you have to do what you have to do. But just little brown snakes, little grass snakes, garter snakes, they're actually a help in your garden, in your yard. They take care of, like I said, mice, rats if they're big enough, and a lot of the little insects that might eat your tomatoes. So just consider that next time. They have a bad reputation, but generally they're helpful. This little snake's not afraid of me. I can even pet it and it won't go away. It gets to know you, gets to know your yard. Let them do their little snaky job, and as long as they're not poisonous or trying to attack you, they're a great help in your yard. Thank you and have a great day.